In today's video, I will teach you how to put an image inside a text with GIMP. Let's get started. Launch GIMP and open the image that you want to work with. Go to the File menu and select Open, or simply press Ctrl-O on your keyboard. Then navigate to the location of your image file, select it, and click Open. Now we're going to create a new layer. With your image open, create a new layer where the text will be placed. To do this, go to the Layer menu, then select New Layer, or simply press Shift-Ctrl-N. In the New Layer dialog box, give your layer a name, choose White for the Fill With option, then click OK. Now, select the text tool from the toolbox. You can click on the tool icon, or go to Tools, then Text. Then click on the image where you want the text to appear, and start typing. Your text will appear inside a rectangular frame. If needed, use the Move tool to adjust the position of the text on the canvas. To adjust the size of the text, select the Scale tool from the toolbox, or go to Tools, Transform Tools, then Scale. Then click on the text, and in the Scale dialog box, adjust the width and height, or drag the handles as needed. Then click Scale when done. If you want a transparent background, add an alpha channel to the image layer by going to Layer, Transparency, then add alpha channel. Then select the text layer and load its selection by going to Layer, Transparency, then alpha to selection. Then invert the selection by going to Select, then Invert, or simply by pressing Ctrl-I. Then select the image layer, then delete everything within the selection by pressing the Delete key, or by going to Edit, then Clear. Then remove the selection by going to Select, then None. Select the image layer and use the Move tool to adjust the text on the canvas as needed. Then duplicate the image layer by going to Layer, then Duplicate Layer, or simply by pressing Shift-Ctrl-D. Then rename the duplicated layer to Reflection. Then select the Flip tool, or go to Tools, Transform Tools, then Flip. In the Tool Options tab, choose Vertical. With the reflection layer selected, flip the image vertically. Using the Move tool, drag the reflection layer below the original image layer. Then click on the reflection layer to select it. Then click the Add Layer Mask button at the bottom of the Layers panel, or simply go to Layer, Mask, then Add Layer Mask. Now choose White Full Opacity as the Fill With option. Then click OK. Then select the Gradient tool, or simply press G on your keyboard. Then go to Tool Options dialog and make sure to choose Foreground to Background. With the Layer Mask thumbnail selected, drag the mouse in the document window to create a reflection effect. Then apply a Gaussian blur to the reflection layer by going to Filters, Blur, then Gaussian blur. Then adjust the X and Y values as needed and click OK. Now, select the Shear tool from the toolbox and click on the image. Drag the mouse horizontally or vertically to distort the image and click the Shear button. Now, save your project file by going to File, then Save, or simply press Ctrl-S. Then use the default GIMP XDF format to retain editability. And finally, export the image in a desired format like JPEG by going to File, then Export As. Then choose the appropriate file format. And there you have it. You've successfully placed an image inside a text using GIMP. Experiment with different images, text, and effects to create unique designs. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.